Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the year. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what message wants to show through for you. The first card is the Hierophant in reverse, Death in reverse, Strength, Three of Wands, Page of Swords, center of my spread, Gemini, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and then the Sun card. Who else had this? Sagittarius had the same last card for their reading. Bottom of my deck, I do see a King of Pentacles in reverse though. Somebody who's not stepping up to the plate, maybe not wanting to take action, maybe very ungrounded, more interested in chasing the 3D, money, wealth, cars, and not ready to offer a commitment because the Hierophant card is in reverse. Not wanting to change, maybe just being very stubborn, I guess. I do feel, let's see, I don't want to say anything right now about this reading, Gemini. Let's start with our dialogue message cards, okay? Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll do the clarifications. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more gems from another deck. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Thank you. And Gemini, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright, gems. The first card here says, I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit, I don't like your ego. The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of our 3D challenges. Or did I push you away due to believing the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. I think of you before I sleep, I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. Alright, gems, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, gems, as always. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Blessing, guidance, advice. Practice makes perfect. Well, I guess somebody has to try and try again. Maybe if it hasn't worked out the first time around, somebody needs to put more effort. That's the advice from the angels. Practice makes perfect. So I put this card here, gems, for you, and let's start clarifying the spread now. Hierophant in reverse, spirit. This is Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Maybe somebody had somebody on the side, maybe, I don't know. There could have been some lies here. What's this, Spirit? I do see an Empress and a Queen of Wands here. I do see an Empress and a Queen of Wands here. Maybe somebody was asked to make a decision and they couldn't. They had no clarity, or they lied. Something happened here. Maybe they just didn't want things to change. Maybe they lied to both of them. I don't know. Death in reverse. Death in reverse. Yes, this person just wanted, they didn't want things to change in their life. I think they were having a good time. This was happiness for them. They didn't have to take action towards anyone. And here they were feeling, well, I can just have both. Just have both, I guess. What's the Strength card then, Spirit? Strength card. Well, somebody blocked them out. Maybe one person said that one of the options could have said, I'm not an option. Excuse me, I'm not an option. I'm going to hold back. I'm too strong to be treated like, could be this Empress, because an Empress doesn't go into competition with the Queen of Wands. So very, very strong, could have held back and said, you know what, I choose myself. I'm not going to be an option. I'm going to protect myself. I push you away. It could be the Empress who turned their back on their person, who didn't want to make a decision between two, I guess. Three of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse, yes. This Empress could have turned their back on a person who they now consider to be a player, or somebody who's not making any decisions, flitting from one to another, having a jolly good time, feeling on top of the world because they don't have to commit or move towards anyone. So who's watching and spying then, Spirit, now? Page of Swords. Page of Swords. Because somebody has been refused, now they can't get over it. Now they've realized, I've missed an opportunity of a lifetime, a stable brand new beginning which I could have had with a wonderful soulmate. The Empress now has bad memories now attached to it. So all they can do is spy, see their social media, check on them. Why? Because things have all stagnated. There's no movement. Things have come out in the open. Secrets are out. And well, maybe they were in another lover's connection, or maybe this, yes, I think they did never want the secret. That is, oops, what has been revealed. My table, poor thing, it's cracking now. The secret that's been revealed is that they probably had another lover, or they had a choice to make which they didn't want to make. They wanted to be in this Nine of Cups energy, right? Things are fantastic for me. I like it this way. All my cups are full. I can go wherever I want, have fun with whoever I want, and that's it. I'm in a very good place. So that's what came out in the open, and then stagnancy happened. And now the Ace of Pentacles is now in reverse. So the stable offer that could have had a chance to grow is, well, it's not growing now. Ace of Pentacles has been revoked. Somebody is not fighting. Somebody is blocking them. Somebody is pushing them away, saying, I'm not going to be part of the competition. I don't want to fight for you anymore. And the more they are saying, I think this Empress is refusing them, the more the other person is now feeling disappointed. Oh my God, I missed an opportunity of a lifetime. Very disappointed they didn't invest more with the person who's walked away now. I think now they are understanding what they did. They were probably giving to more than two, and that's the reason. This Empress walked away. Now they want to have this partnership, Gemini. Now they want to have an equal give and take. Now they feel whatever mind games I was playing, whatever, I was trying to have it my way, it was my way or the highway. Now, well, they're feeling embarrassed and ashamed and feeling eventually they ended up as a loser. Because they lost the one person who they actually now want. Right? If you have A and B and you want them both, and say A walks away and you're left with B, then you realize, hey, actually A was my person, but now it's too late. So what's the Sun card then, Spirit? Where do we end with the Sun card? Okay. Okay, okay. Too many cards. One more spirit for the Sun card. Oh, okay. That sums it all up. That sums it all up. Okay, so what's happened now? Same thing that I said, right? Now, the more this person has been waiting, watching, spying on this Empress, well, then the more they're realizing this is my happiness. This is the person who is my sunshine. Now they desperately want to restart. They want a rebirth of this connection. Very, very burdened. Very burdened because they feel they chose wrong. They made a foolish choice here, a wrong choice. Now they're ready to, they want to get over whatever toxicity or whatever has happened between the two of you, but they're stuck. They're totally stuck because this Empress doesn't seem to have, is not kind of showing them any attention. So now they're feeling very ungrounded. So King of Pentacles in reverse. Now see, this is the person. This is the person. Maybe at that point they didn't value love. They were more chasing their work, business, being stingy with their time, energy, wanting things to go their way. Now they feel all that doesn't matter. I don't feel grounded at all because I've lost the person I should have been with. Yeah, now they don't want any third parties. Yeah. Now they don't want. When they look into their future, all they see is this Empress, and all they want is somehow something that should heal this heart now. They realize they took a wrong turn in their life. They went the wrong direction. They chose wrong. And because of that, this Empress has now put a lid on that cup of love, no longer offering that love, no longer messaging them, talking to them, or, even expecting any, new journey or anything with them, to be honest. This is like Page of Wands is in reverse. Like, what are you going to give me now? I've already pulled back my love. Why? Because they went the wrong direction. They chose the wrong. Somebody chose wrong here. Simple as that. And they know it. And the more they're watching this Empress glow, the more they're realizing I made a wrong choice. That's all I have for you, Gemini. Till next year, I think now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.